I chose Air Moving and Storage for our big move because they were really friendly and they told us everything we needed to know. They gave us access to all the services we needed. The salesman came to the house, we walked through it room by room. I pointed out all the things that we were going to take. We spent a lot of time together. The salesman gave me lots of good suggestions, and the estimate was very comprehensive. When it was done, we knew exactly what we were going to have to pay. The movers were very professional. They helped pack the things that needed to be packed carefully. I was really worried about some of my antiques. The furniture was wrapped individually with blankets, and they put tape around it, and each thing was carried out to the truck one by one. You know, moving is not only stressful for mom and dad, but it's stressful for the kids too. And the movers were friendly and they joked around with the kids. They even let them put their things into the box so they felt they were a part of the move. I definitely recommend Air Moving and Storage to any of my friends that are making a move. They really lived up to all the promises they made.